1:33 p.m. and ending at 3:33 p.m. This is a test. Vermont Blue Alert System test. On October 14, 2021 at approximately 1:30 p.m., a Vermont law enforcement officer was tested in the line of duty at Test, Vermont. This is only a test. No action is required. This is a test of the Vermont Blue Alert System.
More like sailors and cowboys than the
The civil authorities have issued a blue alert for all of Vermont beginning at 2:26 p.m. and ending at 4:26 p.m. This is a test cancellation of the Vermont Blue Alert System. This is a test cancellation. No action is required. This is a test cancellation of the Vermont Blue Alert System.
Have you been able to parse out that time?